Today's finally the day. Let me show you guys. Today's the day we finally replaced the intake, because this one's got a fat hole right there. So we're gonna replacing it out. Got Brian here with me, but let me show you guys the intake that we're gonna be replacing it out with. Today we're installing the hybrid racing cold air intake, and yeah, this is what I was told was the best one on the market. So let's go ahead and start taking the OEM one out. Brian already took majority of the intake off, or pretty much the whole intake off. You are gonna have to take out your battery because it does come with a battery relocation kit, which is right there. Just so you guys know too, this is a 3.5 inch intake, so it is bigger than the stock one, of course. So you are gonna have to run a tune as soon as you get it done, which I'm gonna explain to you guys a little bit later. But the car cannot run on the MAP sensor; it's gonna have to run off the MAP sensor, or mass airflow sensor. It can't run off the mass airflow. What's that? What's MAP? It's gonna run off the MAP sensor instead of the mass airflow sensor. So the computer can't make up for how much air is gonna be taken in. So, yep. But yeah, pretty much most of it is off. This actually might go a lot easier than I thought. And you are gonna need this too, because you're gonna have to bleach your coolant. So you are gonna need more coolant, which I have here. Excuse the mess. Fucking scared. Oh. Interesting. You have no radiator fluid. Oh, you want to see something disgusting I just found out? Not bad. That's gross. So everything is out. You do have to swap over your sensor, obviously, for it to work. So it goes from your old one to your new one, and then you're pretty much gonna replace all the hoses out after you drain your coolant out. Yep. So yeah, pretty much just put everything back on, and then upload the tune, and we should be good to go. We're hoping. So once you get everything out of here, you want to put your battery bracket in. Obviously we got the hose in there. You're going to want to remove your ground from this hole right here. Make it focus. From that hole, and move it over down here. Kind of hook it just like that. And your battery will get in there easier. So we're kind of finishing everything up here. We kind of noticed that there is an extra like hose, and we're only guessing this is because if you have an intake or bigger intake manifold, this will go on it. But yeah, this is kind of extra, so I'm gonna eat that over there. Kobe. So he's filling up the coolant right now. I'm uploading the tune. Basically the tune that I'm using that I found on YouTube was the, if you kind of scroll down a little bit, you have to put the race map on. It's the, God, what does it say? The AMB2. It is for the 3-inch. That's what I was told to use. The guy that I got it from said that he got it from Hybrid Racing themselves and Honda. So we're gonna go ahead and try that. Hopefully everything runs smooth, but that's what he found to work. So hopefully it's gonna work for us. Because honestly, I don't have a laptop, and he doesn't either. So maybe shot luck. But hopefully we can do it. But I'm uploading the tune right now. Hopefully everything's good. Here goes nothing.
Running really smooth.
It's actually a heat.
He's down. Your car?
Are you gonna few reps or what?
You can.
That should sound really smooth on.
Should I get the the filter?
I'm excited to see how this thing sounds.
Zoomed in. My fault. Hey, where does your DRL light turns on and off?
I have no idea. The Honda thing. That's never done that before. Oh, you know why?
You reset it.
Yeah. Oh.
Beep.
That's not enough. Okay, that's gonna be annoying.
What's
Shaky exhaust. We won't talk about it. It was a lot more responsive.
I bet it does.
Oh shit! Yo! Oh shit!
400 horsepower, let's get it. Yeah.
Ah, this thing is funny, bro.
All the torque.
Holy shit! And that's just a base map. Imagine Honda. I'm gonna do one more foot down straight here. That's pretty impressive.
I like it, you can actually hear the intake.
Yeah. Oh, that's gonna get me in a lot of trouble. This car is pretty quick. Where should I drop you off at? I'll drop you off at that car.
You dropping me off at my job, guys. About to be in the streets, you know, let's get it. Smells like a burnt catalytic converter, guys. It does not smell good.
This shit is a lot of fun.
She sounds angry.
Does she? Or something that isn't moving as fast? Oh, here, get him. Not the night I wanted. I had to jump the SI, which is not a good thing. But this blows, and I gotta get a new battery for the SI.